Hey guys, me and my brother was talking the other day about, what if you just had your pocket knife? And we got to talking about it and we decided we'd get our slip joints out. We ordered some new Rough Riders and we're going to kind of test our skills and see how much we can accomplish with just a pocket knife.
This is our new Rough Rider folding knives. We paid like $6 to $10 for each of these. Small peanut, canoe, couple of Barlows, Trapper, Stockman, Granddaddy Barlow, and a boxcar whittler. And we're not going to have all of these knives on us at one time. We'll kind of change them out, test the different patterns, see how they go. In fact, going to kind of test out Rough Rider in general. They're really nice knives, really cheap, and we're just going to kind of see how they stack up and hold out. Trapper, this is the big one here, Barlow. Boxcar whittler. This was kind of cool. This has a thick main blade and it works off both springs. I had never seen that before. Two small thin blades. So we're going to get out here and put them through some pretty hard use, and we'll see how they hold up. There's a large pine tree that's completely dead. There's a bunch of limbs that's fallen off of it. We're just picking them up off the ground. Gonna get a kind of a little bit of something for framework to build a shelter with. And we came out of the tree line because mosquitoes are so bad, and we're gonna use this little opening out here, put up a little quick shelter. Off into this fork. Yeah. I have to break some of that off. Now we're going to face it. Just prop this framework up, no tools required. We didn't even lash it. One stick had a real nice fork and we just simply propped it up. We're gonna gather some stuff and just start throwing it over the top, leaves, maybe some of this grass and sage that's growing out here. Just a little quickie shelter. this other side over here if you can. Show it and so after that basic framework, just got some small branches and limbs, throw them on the back and start layering it up. These weeds, I think it's dog fennel. We're just going to throw stuff like that all over that back side.
Okay guys, we got the shelter up. This is just a cricky shelter. That'll take us 30-40 minutes to throw it up. Of course, on later we're going to be building some more permanent shelters, some debris huts. It's October now, but it's still pretty hot out.
If you thought it was going to rain or anything, you could just keep adding debris onto the back. Leaves, more of this brush and broom sage. Put more broom sage down for insulation. Whatever you thought you needed for the night. It was a little touch small for the both of us, but we could squeeze in if needed. Or find more pine limbs like that, run one out this way, and just expand it. Maybe we'll have to do that. We're going to expand this out just a little bit. It wasn't quite big enough.
You got the main support laid in, and then just any old limbs you can pick up laid across, and that helps keep whatever it is you're using to fill in the back, kind of hold that material up. All of those went downward, and the next batch we cut, put them up on the top. Extend this out a little bit. Okay guys, we extended this end here, added some more dog fennels.
A little more room now.
Yeah.
Get back up in this little cubby hole.
We could even extend it more on this side.
Yep. It's big enough there. Big enough.
Yeah.
These are the knives we use today. Ben's Barlow, my stockman. To make the shelter, we didn't even really need a cutting tool. The dog fennels that we used to wall the back of the shelter and could have been just broke off, but we wanted to use the knives, do a little bit of cutting. Our plan is to film as time allows, and just every time kind of do the next step. We got a shelter up, we want to make fire, purify water, see if we can catch food, catch some animals, see just how far we can take it using only our pocket knives. We appreciate you watching this video, hope you enjoyed it.